Dear friends, welcome all of you to yet another video that helps the teachers for creating beautiful infographics. So today we are going to discuss and watch what are the online platforms available for creating beautiful infographics. So lots of opportunities are available, but for creating simple infographics, we can use the opportunity in Microsoft Word, Excel document through Smart Art. Inserting tool like Smart Art, we can create colorful infographics. But our discussion is related to how to create online infographics. So I just introducing some online platforms which are useful for you for easy creation of already created templates. With the support of already created templates, you can create colorful infographics. So the first one is you just go through here. You just go through the movement of cursor. PictoChart. PictoChart is one of the tool easily you can create the infographics. So using the tools like PictoChart, you can create colorful infographics. You just go through the different, just click on the Google and search PictoChart. You will get it. So using PictoChart, just go through. We can change very easily the different type of formats are there. Interactive charts we can create. We can create interactive maps, infographics. So easy color changing options are there. So lots of opportunities are there. We can add lot of icons like this. So a very effective and better tool for creating infograph on website is PictoChart. And another one is Visme. Visme, you can just look at here. Try Visme now; it's free. You can use maximum these type of platforms for free. So Visme, so search all these names in Google. You will get more information related to this. So Visme is another website that provides creating colorful infographics. So look at the templates. Very easily you can edit it. No need to create any shapes. You can edit it and use for your classrooms. All the steps will be clearly explained in the website itself. So use it. At another one is Infogram. Infogram, another online platform for creating infographics. The name is Infogram. So remember, all the platforms are giving maximum same type of platforms and templates for editing. You can easily edit all the infographics, can create like this infographics, reports, charts, maps, social media visuals, all can be easily created through these type of websites. So Infogram, third one. Then Venngage, another one is Venngage. Remember the names. It is also free. So all the platforms gives already prepared templates for easy editing. You have to customize it. Then you can create colorful visuals for your students. Kako, another one website for creating infographics. So you can use some of these type of infographics in your mobile also. Lot of mobile apps are available to create these type of infographics. Every platform gives same level of editing procedure. So install the particular app or software, then open the first window, click new button, create the infographic by selecting suitable template for you, then add the contents. Lot of editing options are available. Use it for cutting and pasting important and unimportant areas, inserting images. You can include URLs, the web page links you can include, maybe already prevailing links or the links you have uploaded. So a lot of platforms are available for creating EdgeDraw, another one platform. So all these things are providing lot of opportunity. InPhoto, another one platform that can be also used in mobile. So Glyphy, another one platform. Lot of opportunities are there. So teachers, please use all these things for your classroom. Thank you for watching my video. Some teachers are asked to take video on this topic. That is why I have created how to create infograph through online platforms. So please use it in your classroom, and thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Press the bell icon, and don't forget to share with other subject teachers in your school. Okay, thank you for watching my video.